Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be showing you how to create these really quick and easy bridal earrings. I never used to make my own jewelry. I just used to buy them, but I walked into Hobbycraft one day. I picked up a few easy like beginners jewelry making items, and since then I've been making my own earrings, and literally they take less than about 5 minutes and you can completely change your look. I'm hooked. So I highly recommend that you give this a go. It's a great idea for brides if you're on a budget and you don't really want to spend a lot of money on earrings, because literally I don't think this costs more than about £5 to make these. And you can change whatever beads you want to make them crystals, if you want to use real gold. Just get creative with it. I really think it's also a great gift idea. So if you're looking for gifts for your bridesmaids, you can make them a version of this earring, just change the beads and it could look completely different, or even make them earrings to wear for the wedding day. That's kind of a cool idea, and it's a nice way to just give them a very personalized gift. So I hope you enjoy watching this video. I hope you learned something. Don't forget, as usual, like, comment and subscribe, and stay tuned. So to start off, you're going to need a set of 3-in-1 pliers. Then you're going to need a silver head pin, which has got a blunt section at the end of the pin. Then you're going to need some beads. So the first are pearls in an off-white color, and then I used a larger bead called a nest ball bead. It's basically just wires that are wrapped to look like a bead. And I used 4 star-shaped beads. They're actually called hexagram beads, but I call them star-shaped beads because it's easier. And then you're going to need an earring hook. Then starting off, you're going to thread one of the pearls onto the head pin, and then on top of that you're going to put on 2 of the star-shaped beads. And it's important you put it onto the right end of the head pin, otherwise the beads will fall straight through. And then you want to thread on the nest ball bead, and because it's got a lot of holes, it did take me a few tries before I got the head pin in the center of the bead. And it's important you get this in the center, otherwise it's not going to look right when you wear the earring. It's going to look a bit skewed, which is not very cool. And then you need to thread through another 2 of the star-shaped beads before finally adding on the second pearl. And that's the basic assembly of your earring. And then you want to bend the top part of the head pin at a 90-degree angle to the beads, and I use the flat part of the pliers to do this, and this is what helps you to create the loop. Okay, so then you just grasp the tip of the head pin with the round tip of the pliers and bend it back upon itself to create a loop. And that's why I love these pliers, because you can do so many things with just one pliers, instead of having 3 or 4 different pliers to do the different tasks needed to create jewelry. And so just make sure the loop is completely closed, and that's what helps your earring to attach onto the earring hook. So I'm just showing you how to open up the loop at the bottom of the earring hook, and I just use the tip of the pliers to do that. And that's what allows you to then thread through your earring using the loop you created onto the earring hook. And then you use the pliers again to close the loop, and just to secure it so the earring doesn't fall off. Okay, so that's it guys. Quick, fun, and you can have your own earrings in 5 minutes. I mean, how easy is that? I hope you enjoyed watching this video. I hope you learned something, and I'll see you soon on my next one. Okay, bye.